Thank you for choosing the Dolphin XP-005 portable key cutting machine. This video will show you how to set up your new Dolphin machine. The new Dolphin model comes standard with an upgraded multifunctional M5 clamp, featuring dual sides A and B. Simply loosen the knob to flip the clamp effortlessly. Compatible with the following key types. During height leveling, the cutter tip must sit slightly higher than the probe tip. Calibrate the probe height. Then run the calibration test cut. We need a blank key. With clamp on side A, align the top of the key to line 3. Brush away debris during cutting. Then proceed with the cutting calibration. After completing these steps, your machine is now fully set up. This concludes the Dolphin setup process before cutting. We hope these steps help you effectively. Wishing you a successful start to your locksmithing journey.